Oh, what do we have here? All hell breaks loose after husband pays for another girl's meal at Waffle House. I'll be out of breath right now.
Hey, cut it out!
Ooh, they deep.
Get out! Let her go. Move. You're gonna get taken.
Damn, she get beat up and tased. That's just a lose-lose situation.
No, she hit me. I hit her. Stop. Stop. She on top of my hairband. Back up. What are you doing? She hit me. Are you serious? She run the camera. She hit me. What are we? She threw the food at me. She hit me. Have a seat. She hit me.
Just relax. Nobody's leaving.
She hit me. I got everybody hit. She snatched the food out my hands, sir.
We'll figure it out. Are you okay? Relax.
Nobody ain't gotta go to jail.
We'll figure it out here in a
Nobody
second.
gotta go to jail. I want to press charges on that.
Well, we're gonna figure it out. She's
I don't
not.
want
We
to
know.
press charges on that. Like,
Damn.
Just relax. Just relax.
She took off her wig?
We'll figure it out.
Ooh, shit.
She's fighting too. Why she walking away? Can you just get my phone?
Come on.
My shoes.
All right. We'll
Did she say her food or her shoes? Now, why you worry about the food and you going to jail? You can't take that in there.
in a second. Come on. Excuse me.
Have a seat. So, baby, run the cameras. Run the cameras.
You ain't leaving. You ain't going anywhere.
I don't want to press charges on that. Like,
She hit me.
Okay.
She don't want to press charges.
We'll
I don't want to
figure
press
it out.
charges. You can let me go. But, baby, she hit me.
Okay.
I'm going to defend myself like I
Have a
told
seat.
you.
What's your name?
We go to jail in this bitch.
Oh, damn, she done took off the whole lace front.
Have a seat.
Simple.
Have a seat. Have a seat. I'm not going to tell you again. You too. Have a seat. Get away from me.
She just snatched it all off.
You can't even talk, so have a seat.
sir, I
Have a
No,
seat.
just sit down.
What's your name?
Because I told you, stop playing with me. Get out my face. Get out my face.
What's your name, ma'am?
She snatched the food out my hand.
I didn't snatch shit out your hand. I grabbed it off the table. You hit me with the food, bitch. Stop lying. Run the cameras back.
Oh, look at this idiot. Is this the one that paid for another another woman's food while your wife right there? Gots to be more careful.
Stop lying.
Let me fix that first one for you.
No, it wasn't no misunderstanding. They catch me in the streets.
So what happened?
I just told you. I grabbed the food off the table. I had already told them. He paid for the food. I was taking the whole order. She so-called called herself grabbing the food, so I grabbed the food off the table. She threw the food, hit me in my face, and then punched me. What I'm supposed to do? Sit there and let her hit me?
Okay. You see what happened, man?
Yeah, I was there.
Okay, what happened? Is it?
Yeah, they was here right here, and they were arguing each other about food, and somebody buy food for every other guest, and she hit with the food.
She threw the food. She threw the food at her. Okay.
It was misunderstanding. She thought she grabbed the wrong food. She snatched it out my hand. When she snatched it out my hand, she pushed me. But it's good.
I grabbed it off the table. You hit me with the food, bitch. Stop lying. Run the cameras back. Stop lying.
I don't want to press no charges. It was a misunderstanding.
No, it wasn't no misunderstanding. Bitch, catch me in the streets.
My witness is out here. He paid for our food. He asked to pay for our food to skip the line. We was next in line. He paid for our food. His girlfriend came.
Did you get zapped? Did I zap you?
Yeah, you zapped me. That's why I got to pee.
I'm sorry.
You okay?
I was just trying to break it up. We'll figure it out in a second.
Yeah, I just want to go home.
I got you. You can't leave right now. You'll just have to hang tight.
I know. But I don't want to press charges. So.
I got you.
Yeah. It's a misunderstanding. He paid for our food. She thought it was something else. That's what it is.
Do you want to press charges or no?
No, I just
No.
want to go home.
You might need a new hairpiece.
Mom, sit down.
She a little intoxicated?
No. She came.
I keep
she
telling
barely
you,
moved. Her right side is.
Oh, she had a stroke? Okay.
Chilling parts.
Okay.
I keep telling you that you come out your son. I'm alright.
I told you, you gotta stop playing with me. You stop playing with me. So you every time, stop playing with me.
So you don't want to press charges? Okay. 6817 to 6893. Hey, the victim doesn't want to prosecute.
So, some people may or may not have WhatsApp.
It is at work.
Okay.
I ain't tripping.
Do you have like any injuries or anything?
Nah, you good. You good.
I would let S6 know.
Yeah.
You good. You good. You did what you
I'm
supposed
gonna go
to
let
do.
him know.
So I ain't tripping.
Okay.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'll stay.
So everybody
Were
straight?
y'all two the ones fighting? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was them too.
I'm not.
For what?
Who
finna go to jail?
No one's going to jail.
Oh, y'all just got a hold of side.
Yeah, just give us a minute. Let's figure everything out.
No, when it's 40 people fighting and I come in and you don't break up. I know
Baby, you ain't telling me what's up. You know. Say so. Hey.
Let's go.
Don't scare me at all, baby. Say so.
Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Stop. Just leave her alone.
She said something to me.
I know, but she's not worth it. Hey, hey, chill out. Nobody wants to press charges, okay? We're gonna figure it out. I get it. I get it. She shouldn't have said nothing. I get it. I agree.
Take her out going on.
What? Take it what?
Just relax.
What you mean what's going on?
I'm not talking about
Relax.
what you going on.
Hey, will y'all stop?
Yeah.
We're trying to figure it out. I can't bring you in there. I'm a guy. You gotta wait until a female officer or somebody gets here. They can take you to the bathroom.
He'll take her. But y'all misled me. I'm just protecting you, but here y'all go. Y'all can handle that.
You wanna come outside real quick? Come with me.
Damn, crazy, man. You hit my fucking
They say
side,
they're not
bro.
taking her to jail.
Come,
Just get in the car.
come with me. No, she can't leave. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna talk to these guys. She's the only one that got a little zapped.
What is a little zapped?
As in, I went in yelling, gave
I
my
was on the
warnings,
ground, and I guess when he
Stop.
threw it.
Let him
Okay.
talk, please.
Okay, I'm sorry.
and they were fighting, got between them, and I pushed her back with my hand and taser too, to back her up. So, and they were still like fighting as I was doing that. She's okay. She doesn't need
Yeah,
EMS or
I'm
nothing like
That's
that. I've asked
fine,
her.
that's fine.
Yes, sir.
Who is that person to you?
I don't know her.
Why you guys fighting?
Okay, what happened was we came in here. We was next in line. I guess the guy he offered to pay to order with us because he wanted to skip the line. So we like, okay. He was like, I'll pay for everybody to order. Just let me, skip the line with y'all. So we like, okay. So it was $82. I didn't know his girlfriend was here. His girlfriend came in, which is her right here. She came in. She was standing there. She was like, oh, let me get the food. Let me get the food. Telling the lady at the counter, oh, everything on that order, let us get it. So when the lady put the stuff on the thing, she had already snatched the waffle. When she snatched the waffle, I grabbed the rest of the stuff on the counter. When I grabbed the rest of the stuff on the counter, she snatched it from me. When she snatched it from me, my reflex was like pushed her back, and she started swinging at me like that. But like I told them, I don't know her. You know what I'm saying? I don't want a person in charge. It's just a misunderstanding. I don't know if she thought I was trying to get her dude or whatever.
I got an independent witness, security guard. So.
All right, give me 1 second.
Yeah, all about some food. He just offered to pay for our food. You can ask the dude. He just offered to pay for our food. You know what I'm saying? We don't.
I got you. I
Yeah.
got you. Like I said, we'll figure it out. Are you the one fighting her?
Yeah, she hit me first.
What happened?
We was inside. I grabbed the food off the counter. She hit me with the food that was in her hand, and it went.
So she just threw food at you, and then y'all got in a fight after that?
Literally hit me in my face with the food, like literally.
Smacked you with a pancake?
Yeah.
Okay.
She couldn't have known that $82 worth of fucking food was gonna be for her husband. Ain't no fucking way.
Waffle. Don't forget Waffle House. I don't sell pancakes. All right. Sounds good. So she's going to be taken to jail for disorderly conduct.
St. Marcus Church.
For disrupting the regular flow of a business.
She going to jail for something.
This is Waffle security monitoring and recording all activity at this location with live audio and video. For your safety and safety of others, please avoid loitering in the parking lot. Thank you for dining with us and please come again.
You guys are a little late on that one. Just relax.
They could have been got away by now with that goddamn mess.
I didn't do anything though, KK. They came in there with that. How you going to jail for this? What I'm saying. I don't get it. Man, dog.
You was the instigator. You started it.
Bond, I think like 500 maybe.
But
Yeah, it's only 500.
It'd be like 500. And then you go through a bondsman, it's $50. So we'll explain it in a second. Let's go. Let's go to the car. Am I taking?
Yes, you
man, what the fuck, bro?
My car's really far away, so we're gonna have to trek.
What? Can I ask y'all what proof y'all had that I'm just working on? Can you take me?
You want to do that?
Can you take me?
We can
Who's all going? Just her?
Yeah, just her.
Okay, so
Okay,
how did
you'll have
I
to
get hit
explain
with a
that.
disorderly and I ain't do nothing?
I'm sorry?
How did I get hit with a disorderly?
Because it originated from you.
How?
Okay. We have an independent witness saying the food.
It was not me though. I have witnesses too though, sir.
The food. Okay.
I did not throw the food. She snatched the food out of here. That's what I'm telling you.
Okay.
Y'all going off one side. I
Listen.
have witnesses too though.
As of right now, you are being placed under arrest.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have anything on your person?
No, sir. I got a piece so bad.
I'll
We'll get you-
get you straight to the bathroom once we get
Auntie, can I talk to my auntie? TT Lisa, can you come here for a second?
You
Just go ahead, take a
Can you
seat.
come here for a second?
Take a seat, and we'll put the window down.
Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and take her if you just want to get your get the
Come
victim.
here.
No,
Tell her
you
to come here,
need the
please.
No,
It's not domestic.
Yeah, come here.
you're good.
We'll put the window down.
Please.
Wait, he's gonna put the window down real quick.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. What was she charged with? Did the other lady go to jail or what? Nothing but ass and titties. All right, but thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We
On May 7th.